Yo, it's Shahrudin, and today I'm revealing how I made $3,872 last month while I slept. No tech skills, no big investment, just promoting products I actually use and love. I cracked the code, and I'm giving you my exact 5-step system to do the same. This is a real, actionable blueprint, no fluff, just what works. If you're tired of the 9 to 5 and want real passive income, grab a notebook and pay attention. Let's dive in. Step 1, choose your niche wisely. Most beginners fail here by picking something too obscure or just what they like. You don't need to be obsessed with your niche, just make sure there's real demand. Use Google Trends to spot what's rising or consistently popular. Check Amazon bestsellers to see what people are actually buying. Look for products with lots of reviews and that solve real problems. Don't overthink it. Profitable niches are often obvious. For example, home fitness equipment is booming. People want to get fit at home. You don't need to be a fitness expert, just able to talk about the products. The sweet spot, a niche with proven demand that you can research and discuss. Evergreen niches like health, finance, relationships, and hobbies are always strong. Spend time researching. This step can make or break your success. Don't try to invent a market, tap into one that's already thriving. Once you've found a niche with clear demand, you're ready for the next step, finding products to promote. Get this foundation right and you're set up for real results. Let's move on. Step 2, pick the right affiliate programs. Amazon Associates is a great starting point. Millions of products trusted by everyone. Commissions are lower, but the variety is unbeatable. For higher commissions, check out ClickBank and Digistore24. Digital products like courses and software can pay 50% or more. Always check product quality. Don't promote junk just for a quick buck. Your reputation matters, so choose products with solid reviews. Look at payment terms. How often do they pay and what's the minimum payout? Pro tip, reach out to vendors directly. Even with a small audience, you can sometimes negotiate better commissions or get special deals. Recap Amazon for variety. ClickBank/Digistore24 for high commissions. Always prioritize quality. Find a few solid products that fit your niche and get your affiliate links ready. Next, let's talk about creating content that actually sells. Ready? Let's go. Step 3, create free content that gets clicks and sales, no website needed. Use platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, Pinterest, and Facebook groups. Make short, engaging videos or posts showing the product in action and highlighting real benefits. Focus on helping, entertaining, or informing. Don't just spam your links. Example, review a kitchen gadget on TikTok, show how it saves time, and mention your link in bio. Authenticity beats perfection. Use your phone and be yourself. If you want a website later, great, but start with free platforms for fast results. Consistency is key. Keep posting valuable content and watch the clicks roll in. Your content is your sales machine, so start creating and experimenting. Next, I'll show you how to get massive traffic with one simple trick. Let's keep going. Step 4, drive traffic by repurposing your content. Don't create new content for every platform. Work smarter, take one video review and turn it into multiple formats. Audio for podcasts, graphics for Instagram and Pinterest, short clips for TikTok and Reels. Use tools like Canva to make eye-catching posts from your main content. Transcribe videos into blog posts or Facebook group tips. Short-form videos can go viral and drive tons of traffic to your affiliate links. Real example, one of my students took a single review, chopped it up for TikTok, Reddit, and Instagram, and multiplied her reach tenfold. Maximize every piece of content. Don't burn out making new stuff every day. Create one solid piece, then repurpose it everywhere. This saves time, expands your reach, and brings in more clicks. Start repurposing and watch your traffic explode. Next, let's automate and scale your results. Ready for passive income? Let's do it. Step 5, scale and automate for true passive income. Start building an email list. Even without a website, you can use simple landing pages. Offer a free guide or checklist in exchange for emails, then set up automated email sequences with tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit. Your emails can deliver value and recommend affiliate products on autopilot. Schedule your social media posts in advance using tools like Buffer or Hootsuite. Batch create content, schedule it, and let it work for you 24/7. These systems free up your time and keep your business running while you sleep or binge Netflix. Build assets. Your email list and scheduled content will keep generating sales. Set up these automations now for long-term hands-off income. Next, a huge mistake to avoid if you want lasting success. Let's cover it. Before you go, let's talk about the big mistake: spamming your affiliate links everywhere. Don't be that person. Spamming kills trust and gets you banned. The key to affiliate success is providing value first. Help entertain or solve problems. Your recommendation should be a natural part of your content. Think of yourself as a trusted friend, not a pushy salesperson. For example, answer questions in forums with real advice and only mention your affiliate link if it genuinely helps. Show how a product solved your problem, then offer the link as a solution. Build trust by being authentic and transparent. People buy from those they trust. Focus on relationships, not quick sales. Value first, promotion second. Be a resource, not a billboard. Avoid shortcuts. Spamming ruins your reputation and results. Get this right and you'll build a loyal, profitable audience. That's my 5-step system, and the one mistake to avoid for affiliate marketing success. We covered picking a niche, choosing programs, creating content, driving traffic, and automating for passive income. Now it's your turn. Take action. I've got a free guide on my channel with all the tools and resources I use to make $500 plus a month. Grab it now. Smash like, subscribe, and comment affiliate if you're ready to earn your first $100 this week. I'll be in the comments cheering you on and answering questions. Thanks for watching. Go implement these steps and let's get this bread.